Chuur whānau, welcome back to part 2 of Yoshi's Outdoor Adventures on our Eastern Bay of Plenty trip. So we've packed up now and we're heading north. I think we're heading north probably about 20 minutes or so, half an hour or so, off to another beach that Mike knows, and going to get tucked into doing some more fishing. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed the watch of part 1, I appreciate that, man. Chuck a like and a follow. Appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Love all you guys. So yeah, all good. Tuck in, watch this episode, and see how this one goes. Cheers. Just stopped at another little bay to go and rest up for a little bit. We're not fishing here, but see how we go. Cool part of the country. So just got to another spot, all down here. Baden. Beautiful. Like a lake. Deep as. Don't even need to get wet. Sure. Rods are in now. Set up for the night. Yeah. Steve-O's getting back in there. Good cast. Time to crack a bevy. Well, not much has been happening. Jimmy's only got one fish at the moment, and I've caught nutter. There's been a couple of undersized buggers, but she's slow.
And I know that these days will seem so long, but if we lost it all again, then you got to know I love the bittersweet of it all.
Mikey just had a mean hit. Sitting there chilling, talking about how quiet it is, and boom, far. Straight out. And it's going home. Bro, they put up a hell of a fucking scrap. Dude, that thing bent like it was a fucking 10-pounder. Bloody hell.
If you told me I'm the only one you're thinking of, you could hold me, I would tell you there's nobody else. I want you and no one else. You make me feel like I can't hold it down. Whenever you're around, you make me feel like brighter than the moon, shining just for you. You got me, baby. Won't ever deny the way I feel alive. You make me feel like, you make me feel like, feel a rush when you're close to me, so intense I can hardly speak, feel like I can barely breathe. You got me, baby. It's the rare electricity. Draw me in, can you feel the heat? There's a yearning inside of me, 'cause you got me, baby. You got me, baby. You got me, baby. You got me, baby. You got me, baby.
Well, it's bloody still a bit slow here. Just cooking a feed. We got some hash browns, sausages, some meat patties, bacon. Oh, we got eggs and steak and all sorts. But yeah, God, it's slow. We've only landed one keeper. The others have been so tiny, it's been crazy. I haven't even caught anything today. Bugger. But anyway. Bit of a spread for the lads tonight on the final night. Some garlic prawns. Bit of beef and meat and pork. Oh, beautiful. Got Chef Ramsay. Ramsay.
Without the swear words?
Yeah, eh, that's me, eh?
You swear like Ramsay, I cook like Ramsay.
We'll be the judge of that after we see those. Spread of doom.
We're kings, baby. Kings, just for the night.
And that's our nighttime view. What a beautiful evening.
Morena whānau. Far, she's been. But I haven't caught a bloody fish, mate. The boys have had a couple of really small snapper. Well, we haven't kept anything. There's nothing here. But oh well. It's freaking beautiful. Right there. That's where we're sleeping. Paradise, mate. That's sick, but we're gonna be packing up and going home today, so we'll probably only fish for a couple of hours. See how we get on. Just starting to pack up camp. I'm good, I'm ready. These buggers, Jesus. It's like they bought the whole kitchen sink.
Are you talking smack again?
Never. Looking forward. Yeah, looking forward to getting home though. It's been a long couple of days. Not good fishing here yesterday and last night. Even this morning we put a bait out. Old White Island over there. Birds are just getting the last of our burley. Seen a ray in the shallow before, so that was quite cool. But yeah. Oh, it's going to suck to go home, but at the same time good. At least we got some fish in the freezer, so that's right, bonus. Right, all packed up. Last hurrah. Now we got to get out of here. Let's have a bit of fun with this one.
Oh, Mike's forgotten something. Yeah, Yoshi got it. Far out.
Right, so we're just on our way out. Heading home. So yeah, just gonna stop off at the local shop and maybe get a coffee or something, get a pie, and dump some rubbish. See if they'll let us dump some rubbish there. We've got a couple of bags and we've got a 6-hour drive, so yeah. But right, I don't know if there's much more. We may even stop at Nui on the way home yet. We're unsure. So yeah.
I know why you're chasing all the headlights. Oh, 'cause you're always trying to get ahead of life. Baby, when you go, you know I'll be waiting on the other side. And I know it's cold, but if you stayed in, I could.
Oh man, made it home, WHANAU. Everything's, well, not everything. There's a little unpacked. The ute clean-ish. So it's a bit of a once over, but what a long drive. 6.5 hours, I think it was in the end. Pretty buggered. Good to be home though. Man, I had a good time. Far out. Had a really good time. Oh, yeah, good fun, man. Wicked bunch of lads. Good fishing on the Saturday. I didn't get a bloody fish on the Sunday. Not one. Oh, well. It's fishing, though. Must have been casting too far, eh? Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, shit everywhere, though. Traces and all sorts. Oh. So, yeah. Gonna finish sorting everything out. Gonna have a shower, man. Bit smelly. I'll just sit and have a beer anyway. But just want to shout out to the boys who came up. Jimmy, Mikey, and Steve from Wild and Hungry NZ. Go give them a follow. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I'll check his link in the description of this vid. But nah, awesome, man. Eastern Bay of Plenty ticked off. Definitely going back. I want to get onto some mooches over there. So yeah. Oh, man, don't even know how to end this vid actually. Good times anyway. Oh, buggered. I'm absolutely rooted. Right, I'll leave it there, eh? Until the next video. Who knows when that'll be. I gotta sort all this stuff out. Clean it, wash it, pack it away for the next time. CHUUUR, WHANAU. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Out skis.